Were you Jamarcus Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get someone hired?
Well, I talked to 3 lawyers.
Okay.
Lori,
If you can touch with your bond.
first, Roy Parenzo,
Mm-hmm.
Corey Crenshaw, and Keith John.
Okay. And so where are you on being able to get someone hired? Pull your pants up. Just wearing a belt doesn't do it. Pull them all the way up so that I can't see your underwear sticking out the front. And nobody wants to see it sticking out the back. You understand? Okay. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm not physically fit.
Are you working?
No.
Why aren't you working?
There's these charges currently.
Okay. Were you working before?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay. So you're on, have you been going to probation like you're supposed to?
Yes, ma'am.
So where do you live? Who pays your bills?
Family. It was family.
Okay. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I just wanted to make you aware, the charges haven't been filed yet. We sent over, a hearing last week to second him because he was arrested again here in Jefferson County. So he has 2 more charges that should be filed.
What'd you get arrested for?
Just being with the wrong crowd.
Sounds like you are the wrong crowd. You're not? You're on probation for theft of a firearm and you've been arrested twice now? Since this, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, well, he was arrested in March, but he was also arrested, June the 18th for possession of marijuana and unlawful.
Have a seat in the jury box. We're going to have you tested and then I'm going to decide what to do. So you only tested positive for amphetamines and it looks like you have a prescription, but I want to go through real quick.
I don't know.
Hold on. Let me read this police report real quick about your last arrest. All right. So, Mr. Jones, obviously, hold on a second. You're on probation for theft of a firearm. You've been arrested, just last week before last, and were able, I guess, did you make a bond in the new case?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you're on probation for the felony offense of theft of a firearm, and because you were arrested in a vehicle that looks like, allegedly, obviously you've not been charged with it, but there was marijuana in the car near the seat where you were sitting. It smelled like y'all had been smoking marijuana, and there was a gun in the glove box where you were sitting. So I'm going to find that the bond that I set in the motion to revoke your probation case is not in the best interest of our community. I'm going to find that because you've been arrested while you were on that bond, that it is appropriate for me to raise that bond. And at this time, I'm raising your bond to $200,000. You can go back with the bailiff.
Yes.
Hand it to the bailiff.
Trying.
You got to try harder than being in a car with a gun and marijuana while you're on probation. You've got a motion to revoke your probation.
Understand, sir.
Go with the bailiff. We'll figure it out. We'll get you a lawyer appointed and we'll figure it out.
What started as a routine check-in turned into a courtroom wake-up call that Jamarcus Jones won't soon forget. At just 21 years old, Jones stood before the judge already on probation for theft of a firearm, a serious felony that should have had him walking a razor-thin line. Instead, he walked into court with his pants sagging, no job, and a fresh arrest on his record. The judge didn't let a single detail slide, calling him out on his appearance before even getting to the real issues. And those issues ran deep. Not one but 2 new arrests since being placed on probation. One in March and another on June 18th for possession of marijuana and an unlawful weapons charge. The police report painted a damning picture. Jones was found in a vehicle reeking of marijuana, with drugs near his seat and a gun in the glove box right in front of him. all of this while on probation for a firearms offense. When the prosecution revealed the new charges hadn't even been filed yet, the judge had seen enough. She ruled that the existing bond was no longer in the best interest of the community and raised it to a staggering $200,000. That number hit the courtroom like a thunderclap. But perhaps the most telling moment came when Jones tried to explain his arrest by saying he was simply with the wrong crowd. The judge's response was sharp and unforgettable. "Sounds like you are the wrong crowd." It was a line that cut straight to the truth. At 21, Jones now faces a mountain of legal consequences, and the road ahead just got a whole lot steeper. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns. Because justice never gets old.